will students have to change their study tactics or their habits in their studying in order to be successful with the next updated version of the exam?
It obviously depends a lot on the individual student. Everybody's a little bit different. But in general, I think the answer is no. You won't have to change how you study for the exam. And that's because what the exam is going to be testing is very similar to what you're studying in school right now. You have to initially learn the rules. What's the rules for a lease? And then you have to apply that to some sort of a small problem. But in what you do every day in school, you don't stop there. You have to then take that information about how you do it and what the answer to a small problem is and put it in a larger problem that has more pieces, more complexity. You have to think about what the implications of what you're doing are. You have to think about what the balance sheet or income statement or footnotes will look like when you account for a lease in this way or that way. So what the exam is going to be testing are those additional pieces that you're already learning in class. What it is going to require, though, I think, is for you to much more deliberatively understand the material, get it really deeply in your mind as to what the material is telling you. It's not simply sufficient to know that these are the rules associated with leases. What do you do with it? So to the extent you're not doing that, then it will require a change in how you study. But for the most part, how you're studying right now is the same kind of things you need to do for the exam.